starting off in Fairmont, West Virginia, and then working my way through college in Lexington, Kentucky, and then finally I found myself at Harvard Law School in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I frankly didn't even think that I could go to Harvard. Most kids who grew up in Fairmont, which population 10,000, which is a large city by West Virginia standards, they don't even dream of attending Harvard Law School. One of my earliest influences, number one, my father, who was not a lawyer, he was a teacher, but always had an expression, a saying that I heard 10 times a day, and it was, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth." And it's an expression that just means be thankful for what you have, and try not to be greedy, and be humble. I've tried to live my life by that guiding principle. And so my father was one great influence on my life, as was and is my mother. I'm lucky to have both parents still in this world, and so many people are not that lucky. Another influence on my life was my dad's best friend. He was a lawyer in town. His name was Frank Sansalone. We called him Sax. That was his nickname. Sax's parents came over from the old country, and in north central West Virginia, where I'm from, there was a huge influx of Italians in the 1800s to come and work the coal mines. And I remember hearing stories that Sax would tell that the Italians in our town were treated very, very poorly. They took the mining jobs because they were probably willing to work for less and under harsher circumstances than others. And there's no doubt they got taken advantage of. And that all culminates in a lot of, believe it or not, discrimination against Italians. Again, today, frankly, unthinkable. And we didn't go to those stores and weren't friends with those people who really, frankly, stomped on the rights and the lives of all those coal miners in my hometown. And so Sax and my father are both very positive influences on me. Unfortunately, Sax died more than 20 years ago, but I still think about him all the time.